Welcome to the PC Error Detective channel. Today, we'll show you how to split RAR files into parts on Windows, step by step. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips. Step 1. Begin by opening the WinRAR application. Navigate to the folder where your RAR file is located within the WinRAR window. Step 2. Right-click on your RAR file. From the context menu, select Add Files to Archive or simply press Alt+A. Step 3. A new window will appear. Here, give a new name to your split file. Under Compression method, choose Store. In the Split to Volumes Bytes box, enter the size of each part you desire. Click OK to confirm and create the split files. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial helped you learn how to split RAR files into parts efficiently. Stay tuned for more troubleshooting guides and tech insights.